Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to preview your website on Squarespace. There are several different ways to do it depending on what you need, so I'll walk you through each method. The first way to preview your site is to exit the editor. When you're done making changes, click Save at the top to save your work, then click Exit. This will close the editor and display your website without the editing tools. From here, you can navigate through your site normally by clicking links and menu items. You'll see the full page as visitors would experience it, without the editing toolbar getting in the way. If you need a quick preview without fully exiting, there's a full screen preview mode. While viewing your website dashboard not in edit mode, hover your mouse over the top left corner of the site frame. You'll see an arrow appear, pointing up and to the left. Click that arrow icon, and the site frame will expand, hiding the main menu of the Squarespace admin area and giving you a full-width preview. To exit, just hit the escape key on your keyboard. Keep in mind that occasionally there are small quirks in this preview mode that don't appear on the live site, but it's rare. If you want to share your website with someone before it's public, or preview it yourself on other devices, use a password-protected preview link. Go to Settings in the side panel menu, then go to Site Availability. Change this from private to password protected, add your own simple password, and click Save. Now go to the address bar and copy the URL, stopping after .com. Use this link on devices where you're not logged into Squarespace, or open an incognito window to access the lock screen. Share the link and password with anyone you want to preview the site. They'll be able to see the website without being able to edit or see the admin panel. For checking how your site looks on mobile or tablet, use the device preview. While viewing your site dashboard, look for the mobile view icon in the top right corner of the site preview frame. You can also move your mouse above the site preview frame and click the arrow to show the device icons. Click an icon to preview your site on desktop, tablet, or mobile. This lets you browse your site in the selected device view so you can test your responsive design. If your site isn't live yet and you want to preview it as if it were, use the trial site preview. Look at the built-in domain in the URL at the top of your browser, the part that ends in .squarespace.com. Copy that and paste it into a new tab or browser window. Add "nor direct" to the end of it and navigate to the URL. You'll be able to view your website as if it were live, without any of the Squarespace dashboard or editing panels. While you're previewing, keep in mind that some elements like custom code or scripts might not display exactly as they would on the live site, so test those thoroughly. It's also worth previewing in different browsers to catch any inconsistencies. That's it. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials.